Hey, we're just talking to Annalise here on the vlog. How's it going, Annalise? No. Hey, here's the boys behind the new enclosure. We're gonna get a few more things to finish it off, and then we'll be set to go. Magic with his new safety vest on, ready to go to Home Depot and pick out a few things.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree. No whiny, wimpy little pooch, don't you see? A great big dog's the only one for me. Then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck. But yeah,
Magic's got his
alright.
Luckily, this sucker's tough. You're a good boy, stay. Good boy. Stay. Who's the best dog in the world? Just sits there and waits for me, huh? Say hi to Magic. Have you ever met a Great Dane before? No?
No.
Good boy, stay. Stay. Shh.
That's my son.
I figured.
Look at that guy.
This is Magic.
Giant.
He's friendly, obviously. We wouldn't be in the middle of Home Depot, would we? He's the famous Great Dane visits Home Depot.
Yes. Yeah, I know. You just don't know how big you are.
And do you get a lot of dogs in?
Oh yeah, I love it. It makes my day so much greater. He's a good boy here.
Thank you for shopping at the
thanks for
Home
the help.
Depot.
You're welcome. Bye.
I built a little ramp inside here so it's a little easier. Brings it up to almost the same level as the outside porch. The other thing this dog door has is double flaps for winter. So that's when two flaps are down. It has this security door as well. So if you're gonna be away, you can drop that in place and it's secure and it doesn't lift up without a latch. And I just store it right there. But it's spring now, so we don't need the double door. It just makes it harder. So I keep it just up with that. And so we still have the one with a magnetic strip at the bottom. Come on, who's going outside? Let's go outside, come on. Come on. Finn. Picking on Magic. What's new? Let's go. Go on, no. No, let's go. Come on. You're trying to go inside, Finn. Nothing like a good drink of water. So here's the new dog door. We can prop this open if we want. Looking out at the cars. We've got the gate, and the dogs just come out and turn right, and they can go right outside. Let's start with Finn's brother, Hudson. And this is Trudeau from the same breeder, Kate Jackson. Thank you. This is Callie Anthony and her family with their blue Great Dane, Castle. Passed away a little while ago, very sad. But the good news is they're getting 2 new Great Dane puppies and they're going to build some stalls just like Finn and Magic. I thought I'd throw in some photos I finally got from Magic's photo shoot. Thank you for Kay Bodrock for sending these over and her work at Kent State. Fernanda from Brazil sent in Osiris's picture. He passed away a little while ago. He's 11, but she has a new puppy, and this puppy is lots of fun named Gaia. Thanks for sending him in. You can see it. I've added the walls, and the dog door is there, but now these guys are able to come out. And this gate serves 2 purposes. So that should make it a lot better. No more garage door opening and dog running out into the street. Now let's see if we can find Finn who got loose. Hi buddy, come on this way. Beware of dog with stick, that is. Get it, Finn. Got it? I lured him back in the yard with a big stick. And it's a clean yard. Oh, he's getting some energy out. Works like a charm, eh, Finn? So that is really handy. In case they're muddy, you gotta get them cleaned off, but they go in and out of that dog door like it's nothing. Good boy. How you doing, buddy? Good, stay here, good boy. Yeah, you are. Go on. Hi, Magic. Go on. Good boy. Now we have two heavy heads. Thank you. Dinner time with Great Danes. Good heavens.
Close my eyes, it's a great